5 unexpected picnic suggestions. Come on in, welcome to my home. I have some really easy ideas for your next picnic. The first one is, and what everybody seems to forget is, let's take an extra bag to put in our dirty dishes when we go on a picnic. Why is that important? Simple. When you get done eating, all that stuff is on your plates, and are you going to put it back in your picnic basket, and who knows how long it's going to be before you actually have a chance to, I don't know, say, to go home? What I like to do is I get a nice bag with a seal on it. I can put the dirty plates into that bag and then seal it up, and then once it's sealed up, I can wait till I get home. Yeah, the mess doesn't get everywhere. It just makes life so much easier. Also, one of the things which people forget is a trash bag. Bring a trash bag with you, simply because having a trash bag will make your picnic time much easier. There's a place to throw away things that you need to throw away. One of the other things to think about is a tablecloth. Who wants to go out and buy a special tablecloth? I have a simple solution. I just use an old bed sheet as my tablecloth. I put the bed sheet down on the park bench or on the whatever we have picnic table, and there you go. An instant tablecloth, and it's ready to be cleaned once I'm done. I don't have to worry about it. It only gets used for picnics, and that also gives you a nice separation level in case you're worried about germs or dirt or anything from your food being right on that picnic table. One of the best things that you can do for your picnic, don't take glassware with you. Things that can break that sort of stuff because, well, that can be dangerous. You might drop something, it can just be annoying. I do have wonderful plastic that I can use on a picnic. In fact, the glasses that I have actually look like glass, and I don't have to worry about people breaking them, shattering, having it so that the next person who comes to that picnic could actually have broken glass laying around. That's just awful. I would hate that to happen. One of the things which you can include in your picnic basket? A broom. Yeah. You're saying, well, why would I want a broom? Just a small whisk that you can then clear off spaces so that you have a nice spot that you can have your picnic in without extra dirt, especially on tables and benches. Those are my 5 unexpected picnic suggestions. What about you? Do you have some great picnic idea suggestions? Let me know down in the comments, and I hope I get to see you again next time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you, and I hope I get to see you again next time.